Welcome to another edition of IMO Sports with Pedro Justice. Teofimo Lopez is the new champion at 135, undisputed. Maybe some discrepancy with Devin Haney's WBC belt, but beside the point. Right now, let's celebrate Teofimo Lopez. He beat up Lomachenko for the first 7 rounds. Then around 8, 9, 10, and 11, Lomachenko came back. And then in round 12, Lopez did what he needed to do to get the fight. Do you think that there should be a rematch? Or do you think that Lomachenko should retire? Because he had an extensive amateur career. He had a fast-track pro career, and now he's been dethroned at 135. Do you think he has enough left in the tank to win? Because Lopez is the bigger man, and when we saw that, Lomachenko was gun-shy. He was not letting his hands go. He was not doing what he needed to do in the first 7 rounds. I don't know why he was waiting so long. So that begs the question, should Lomachenko retire? Because what does he have to accomplish now? Will he get a rematch? Do you think he can win? Because if he fights like round 8, 9, 10, 11, then yes, he deserves a rematch. But if he fights like in rounds 1 through 7, he does not. The power is too much, and he was timid. Or do some of his fans say, oh, he figured him out. So now that he figured him out, he definitely deserves a rematch. I was disappointed in his performance. It did not feel like the biggest fight, but I did enjoy rounds 8 through 12. That was the fight there. And Lopez showed that he had the heart, that he could stick in there, and that he could win the fight. And so congratulations to Teofimo Lopez for winning what we call unified or undisputed lightweight champion of the world. Let me know what you think. Until next time, it's Pedro Justice.